Hello YouTube, Joe here. Figured today we look at a really simple fixture. How to break down sandpaper for your quarter sheet sanders. And everybody out there who has a shop, we all know you use plenty of sandpaper, right? So all you need is something that has a sharp edge on it. Measure your sheet till it's quartered, and then you're going to put some guides that have to do with each. Quarter and half. And all you need to do is bend it over that sharp edge, hold on to where it's actually meeting the edge, and with a downward motion, you're going to pull that across. Then once you're done with a bunch of those, you simply spin it around, and you have instant quarters without dulling anything. Your knife is not going to be dull. You don't have to put any more razor blades in. Scissors is good to go. None of your tools are hiding from you. And there you go. What do you think? Let me know. Take care.